Hello everybody, my name is Luis, and this video I'm gonna share a bug I found about Spire and the load about the Spire. So let's take a look how this craziness works. So I'm here using Revit 2021 about the switch phase. So let's create a Spire in here. Let's put a value like 10,000, and I can move switch phase like so, and it works fine. That's works. But let's remove this, and I have inside this panel another panel like this one. I can create a Spire in here. Let's put 10,000, and if I go in this panel, I have the phase A 10,000. Works fine. I can move and switch phase, and switch phase. Oh, do you catch it? Look what happened in the phase C. What the hell is that? Yep. I have a nasty load in the phase C for some random reason. If I go in my Spire, look at this. I have this 10,000 in the phase C for, I don't know. Yeah. Could put 0 in here, and I still have 10,000 there. Yeah. Oh, damn. This is so random. Yep. But if I update this or delete the Spire, gonna fix. So yeah, the great news is this bug was fixed in Revit 23. So yeah, but I'm gonna share this one anyway. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and see you around. Bye bye.